everything is so flat around us. If you see, the road is so flat. The croplands are so flat. The sea is also more or less flat, isn't it? The way to your school is also very flat, and everything around is also flat. So you must be thinking that the earth is actually flat, isn't it? If everything is flat, then the earth's surface should be flat too. Even our ancestors thought so. Our ancestors thought that our earth looked something like this. You know, like a flat square body. That's what they thought about earth. In fact, some of them also thought that the earth is a square box which has an edge, which is the end of the earth. And if something crossed this edge, it would fall down into the unknown. Not only that, our ancestors thought that this flat earth sees the sun and moon one by one because they keep coming above us one by one. That is, when sun comes up, moon goes down, and we are able to see the sun, and the same thing is repeated, and the moon comes here. That is how they imagined the movement of sun and the moon. In fact, some ancestors believed that our flat surface earth is actually being held in the space by a giant tortoise. Well, all this we imagination of us humans because we did not understand the true nature of our planet Earth. So now we have a lot of gadgets and space stations and rockets and aeroplanes. So we can now understand better the actual nature of our planet Earth. So let's observe what we see on our planet Earth's surface. If you see the Earth's surface from your, say, terrace, it would be something like this, which looks pretty flat, isn't it? Now, let's move a bit higher. Now, from an airplane, which is taking off, you could see that actually there is some sort of a curve, isn't it? Let's move a bit more higher on an air balloon. Now, this looks much curvier. So what we were seeing as flat from our terrace, now from the air balloon looks much curvier. So just now it was flat and now it looks curvier as the height increased. Let's see one more level up. So this is a flat earth and now we are zooming out of it. That is, we are moving away from that place into the space. So as we are moving away, what's happening you see? You see the earth is round. And then when we zoom in again and we go to that particular place, it is flat. So what exactly is happening? Well, our earth, as you can see in this particular animation, is round. But we are very small as compared to this huge earth. And that is why we can only see a very small area of that big ball of earth. And because of that, you see that particular surface as flat. Well, something else will make it clearer. See, our earth looks something like this football or a globe if you have seen one in your geography lab. So our earth actually is something like this. Now, if an ant stands here, for it, this will look like a flat surface because this is a huge ball for that small ant. So we are like that ant on the huge ball of earth. And that's why we can only see a small area of earth which looks flat to us. But if we move out in the space, we see the whole ball which is actually round. So this is how our earth looks from space, which is roundish like a ball. And this is how it looks from a satellite, or if you look it from a moon. But as we live on it, we are not able to see this true nature of our planet Earth. Now the question arises that if it is round and we are living on it, then why don't we fall from it? See, we are living on the planet Earth like this. Now, some people are on this side, some people are on this side, and some are even here and here. So why don't they fall off from the planet Earth? That is because our Earth holds everything like a magnet. And that is why everybody is able to go about their jobs without really thinking that which side of the Earth they are and will they ever fall down from the planet Earth. So this is how our Earth looks like, and it holds us like a magnet.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.